This is a Bose SoundLink 3 speaker. See, hopefully you can see that, and it is old. This is my new one that I've had for a year or two. This guy at the farm has a bad battery, and so I brought it here so I can change it. The model number of this unit is a 414255, and here's the battery I got in. I was going to change this up at the farm, but things happened, so I brought it back here down south. Okay, this is the battery I got. Have a note here: caution, sensitive electronic devices do not ship open. Oh, okay, it's a lithium battery, and it's internal, and I'm certain they want you to recycle it. Okay, all right, there. It's out of the package. You are listed. All kind of things. A recycle number. Do not remove. This is a Bose Corporation. Is where I got this one from. I paid more for this, but I wanted to replace it with hopefully the real part. I'll have another video where I got some parts for my Toyota, which really aren't Toyota parts, but I'll talk about that when I get back to the valve job. And this came with a couple units, a little screwdriver, or what, two little ones. One's a Phillips head, the other one looks like it's a T-type of head. So, okay, with that, I'm going to start on the back here to remove the screws. And I'm going to have to go get a screwdriver. Excuse, oh no, here's one. It's on this side. Here's the legs right there on the other. Okay, glue side up. Yep. Okay, I'm going to need to go get a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Please stand by. The most common screwdriver in the world, Phillips number 2, and I think this is a Phillips number 1. It says Pittsburgh, but it looks like that. Anyway, so we take off the screws. There's one on each side. So far, so good. Let's keep those there. Off comes the top. This was the direction I took it off. And I had this open so I could check the battery originally. And looking at it here, I see the battery there. Plate. Okay. Okay, I'm pulling this back. These, there's the battery here. I'm going to remove, there's 2 screws. Once I pulled this back, there was nothing holding that on though. That's interesting. I did not have screws located here to go into the battery to hold on. It basically has a lip that sits like this that holds it. So that's just an artifact. You may have a screw that goes there. And there's the battery that I'm going to be removing, and there's one screw here and the other one's on the other side of the battery, just like it looks like this upside down. So let me get the first screw out. Oh, let's do the Phillips number 2. Okay, I'm kind of in camera view, sorry. Here's my first one that goes here. Here's my second one that goes here. Okay. 1, 2. Battery just basically lifts out of there. Let me compare the two batteries. Left hand has the new one. And holding the bottom, this is a new one. This is the one that came out of it originally. That's the one coming out. This is the one going in. And they look to be the same. So here's the old bad one. Here's the new good one. Take a look inside, since we got a chance. This is what it looks like. I'm sorry, hopefully the light's working. And this came in, it basically went in kind of upside down, like so, and sits right in there, fits well. 2 screws. I guess I find it amazing that there isn't a little screw that was here. Let me get this back in. That one started? No? Great. Let's... Now it's started. Let's see if the new battery has any juice. Okay. Okay. I have my power adapter plugged in. And now it's charging. Okay, now it is hooked up to a phone. This is an older version, so it won't tell me, it won't say connected to your iPhone. This one, the newer versions talk to you. This one doesn't, but it performs very well. And let's see, who do I have that I was listening to?
You know, if you want to get rid of a tax, you repeal it.
Okay.
If you zero it out,
go.
it may not be
It's working fine, so now I just need to let it charge and see how well it does. So let me go, I'm going to go charge this in the garage.